Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use the DOAJ scraper by ParseHub, which you can find on Apify or in the link down in the description. It's used to collect structured metadata about open access journals from the directory of Open Access Journals official website. This actor is especially useful if you're doing academic research, library cataloging, open access analysis, or building datasets around journals, publishers, and licenses. It lets you extract things like journal titles, publisher and country info, subject areas and keywords, languages, license types, etc. So, how does it work? If you already know exactly which journals you want, you can paste the URL from the DOJ in here. Or you can enter a search query in here. Remember, you can only choose one of the two ways to search the DOJ. For this example, I'll insert a search query about machine learning. You can set the maximum number of items you want scraped, and once you're ready, you can either start the actor once or schedule it according to your needs. For this demo, we'll run it once. Now, we'll let the actor do its magic. Once the run finishes, you'll get this dataset table in the Output tab. Each row represents one journal, and you'll get stuff like the journal ID, title, publisher, languages, keywords, and a journal URL where you can access it directly. The data is clean, flat, and ready for analysis. You can also export the data in JSON, Excel, or CSV formats. This is useful if you want to build library catalogs, analyze open access coverage, and feed the data into BI tools or research pipelines. This actor is ideal if you work with open access journals, maintain academic or library databases, analyze publishing trends, or need structured journal metadata at scale. If you have any issues, feel free to contact us. And if you like this scraper, we'd appreciate a review. Thank you.